Sana pinya pata ye, wadana patu ni kumonoma pao minglava. No ku timbia pime tingan zaga. A two songs wa ye nauka no. A two songs wa sandy sambio ya ye nauka. Chicken lee so that savai cleaver no. Tingan za number in a joint, tingan za number combo. Taya ye, tingan za number comp shipare. A genia didn't have a two songs wa original pianti jiao. Dilolity therapy. Any time, left position, near Shria Mapshipare. Beo Shimley, Bevelema, don't bout your Shri like Bare. Never let them Galia, don't bout Bianshi Bare. A time, left position, two hour let time in Dima Chete. Beasa Dimnesuro, chickenly, in a cowboy. Delay machete. Tabai delay the lesro. Zombe. Let them lemma, don't bago. Zombe. Sin like be, leave out. Zombe. Sin like be, ngaba. Zombe. Zombe. The Ludia pete. Sadan in a chicken lee would knock out Dima pete. Chicken lee. The Lupito. A do river, chicken lee, no copy and after the day. Tiquaka do river. The relate after day. And I'll let be your chipper, lade, shin, so I'll leave dim after day. Daddy after day. Yanchi Alma down the Caudia Talibiane. Lenyone Chanzo Lenyone Chanzo be like the Banebale Chaupa Tibeka Leva Soma Long up him in Cholung River a Cholung River was some delayed. Being Lema couldn't down delayed Lodiava being the young no? Being the Lupito, me. Yantibo. I was she and a bomber saying. The Lupito, Yantibo. Being TV Suralia Nyabelema Conadang delayed. Bevelecale attention, Naba TV being Piamo, that made to me. Panevana too late, that make a Naba Nyabeka lecale, a 10 sounded Naba Bebeka Lemaga, a 10 mave. General Napalma, Tau, to the delay. Gita Mego to the Tule, being Alan Bounty me. The Lupshidovare. I had a Nakau Dimapshipare, chicken lee, Nakauba, Naranjiva. Ship by. I don't did the Ganzali didn't be meeting as a little love. I don't share a bomb below. She's only a senior wagon below the chicken the Lumia Notion, sorry, chicken the and Chipala shanty or Mujano. Jarema see Wally never the carrot digital. Did the Chema see Wally at the Chuma Bill, DNA Bill, ဒါတကယ်နောက်ပိုင်းလေးရောက်တော့စီးဝါမနိုင်တဲ့ပြဿနာတက်တတ်ပါတယ်ဒါကြောင့်ဒီတခြင်းမှာကလေးကကျွန်တော်စီးဝါလွတ်လို့မရပါဘူးရှေ့မှာစီးနေဝါစတင်စဉ်ကလေးကစီးဝါကိုအလေးနဲ့ထားပြီးတော့ကျင့်စေချင်ပါတယ်စီးဝါဟာသင်လို့မတက်တဲ့ပညာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ခုကလေးကကိုယ့်အကိုစူးစမ်းလေ့ကျင့်ထားမှာပဲဖြစ်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒါကြောင့်စီးဝါကိုမမေ့ဖို့အထူးမှာချင်ပါတယ်စူးစမ်းကြည့်ပါ